When searching for the optimal action camera, several critical factors come into play, with a primary emphasis on image quality, stabilization capabilities, and battery life. These aspects collectively contribute to the overall performance and user experience of the camera, making them pivotal considerations for consumers. In recent years, GoPro has consistently emerged as a frontrunner in the action camera market, excelling in image quality, stabilization features, and boasting impressive battery life. The brand's unwavering commitment to innovation and technological advancements has solidified its reputation as the go-to choice for enthusiasts engaged in action-packed activities. However, the landscape has witnessed noteworthy developments, especially with the entry of DJI into the market. DJI has introduced its competitive line of action cameras, presenting a challenge to GoPro's dominance. This move by DJI signifies a shift in the dynamics of the action camera market, introducing a formidable competitor that aims to redefine industry standards. The ongoing competition between GoPro and DJI in the action camera market adds a layer of complexity for consumers. Each brand endeavors to outdo the other, fostering a climate of innovation and pushing the boundaries of what action cameras can achieve. The quest for the best action camera involves a comprehensive evaluation of various factors, with image quality, stabilization, and battery life at the forefront. In response to this demand, we have undertaken the task of evaluating the best action cameras available in the market. However, it's crucial to note that the ultimate choice for what's best depends on user preferences and specific needs. Here goes our top action cameras on the market. All product links are provided in the description below. 1. GoPro Max Waterproof 360 Action Camera. The most innovative GoPro ever, featuring classic hero-style skills, spherical capture wizardry, and unbreakable stabilization. Max allows you to capture traditional GoPro video and photos or shoot 360 footage, offering unparalleled creative freedom. Max is not just a camera, it's 3 cameras in one. You can shoot traditional hero-style video and photos, capturing the action in a familiar way, or dive into immersive 360 footage that captures everything around you. Max also caters to videographers with shotgun mic performance and a front-facing screen for maximum versatility. Experience unbreakable stabilization with Max Hyper Smooth technology, utilizing 180-degree cap. Go live in 1080p with Hero Mode and share your adventures as they happen. Benefit from Max Hyper Smooth stabilization during live streaming via the GoPro app, and save your footage to the SD card for later viewing. Hero Mode also introduces game-changing horizon level, providing a silky smooth cinematic look even during dynamic movements. Explore Power Pana, a feature that allows you to capture incredible 270-degree distortion-free panoramic photos without the need to pan. Take selfies, action shots, and vertical pics with a perfectly level horizon, adding a new dimension to your photography. Max goes beyond visuals to deliver premium 360+ stereo audio. With 6 mics, it captures true-to-life 360 audio, providing the best stereo sound ever from a GoPro. Immerse yourself in a complete audio-visual experience. Get ready to unleash your creativity with the unmatched capabilities of GoPro Max. 2. DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Action Camera. Capture stunning footage with the Osmo Pocket 3, featuring a remarkable 1-inch CMOS sensor that records an impressive 4K resolution at 120 FPS. Elevate your videography. Whether you're dancing, chasing pets, or hiking, experience the smoothness in every frame. Experience fast and accurate focusing as the Osmo Pocket 3 locks onto your subject, ensuring sharp and clear footage. Whether you're filming action-packed scenes or still shots, this compact camera captures every detail. Unlock advanced color grading possibilities with D-Log-M and 10-bit color depth, allowing you to record up to 1 billion colors and achieve stunning visual effects during post-production. This feature is especially ideal for shooting sunrises and sunsets. Immerse your audience with immersive audio, as the Osmo Pocket 3 features stereo recording that captures high-quality sound, enhancing your videos with crystal-clear audio. From thrilling adventures to precious moments, this pocket-sized gimbal camera brings your memories to life. Note that the battery charger is sold separately, and it's recommended to purchase the DJI 30W USB-C charger for optimal usage. Please be aware that due to platform compatibility issues, the DJI Mimo app has been removed from Google Play. To ensure a better product usage experience, please log into the DJI official website to download the latest version of DJI Mimo. 3. GoPro Hero 11 Black. Experience the next level of action capture with the Hero 11 Black, a cutting-edge camera designed to deliver incredible highlight videos directly to your phone. Equipped with a large image sensor, this camera not only captures more of the scene but also enhances image quality, allowing you to instantly share vertical shots on your favorite social media platforms. With Hyper Smooth 5.0 featuring Auto Boost and Horizon Lock built in, you can expect nothing but smooth and stunning shots that elevate your content to new heights. Unleash your creativity after dark with night effects, and watch your videos come to life with 10-bit color. The HERO11 Black is not just a camera, it's a powerhouse of features that cater to both professional videographers and enthusiasts. Automatically upload your footage to the cloud and receive a highlight video when charging, streamlining your content creation process. The large image sensor provides an immersive, extra-large field of view, ensuring that you capture every detail of your adventure. Enjoy Cinematic 5, 3K 60 plus 2.7K 240 video capability, coupled with 24.7 megapixel stills extracted from video footage. Take stunning 27-megapixel high-resolution photos that stand out and benefit from the Emmy Award-winning Hyper Smooth 5.0 video stabilization with Horizon Lock. The HERO11 Black is waterproof up to 33 feet and built tough to withstand the rigors of your adventures. However, a microSD card is required for operation, but it is not included in the package, which might be an inconvenience to some users. Nonetheless, it's still a great option to elevate your content creation with the unmatched capabilities of the HERO11 Black, capturing every moment with clarity and style. 4. AKASO V50 Pro Native Wi-Fi Action Camera. The AKASO V50 Pro Native 4K and 30fps 20MP Wi-Fi action camera offers superb image quality with its 4K at 30fps and 20MP capability, ensuring that every detail of your outdoor adventures is captured vividly. This action camera delivers immersive footage, showcasing the beauty of your experience. Equipped with electronic image stabilization featuring a 6-axis gyroscope, the camera detects position and motion changes. Even when the camera tilts, moves, shakes, or experiences impact, it maintains the ability to produce stable video, enhancing the overall quality of your footage. The AKASO V50 Pro provides flexibility in capturing scenes with its optional view angle, allowing you to choose between super wide, medium, and narrow perspectives. Additionally, the camera features distortion calibration, providing improvements to image distortion for a more visually appealing result. Convenience is key with built-in Wi-Fi and HDMI output. By downloading the AKASO Go app on your phone and connecting it to the action camera, you can instantly share your wonderful moments on social media. The HDMI port also enables you to connect the camera to a TV for a larger viewing experience. To enhance the overall value, the AKASO V50 Pro comes with free valuable accessories, including 2 rechargeable 1100 mAh batteries, chargers, a remote control wristband, and various accessory kits. These kits are versatile and compatible with most cameras, including GoPro, providing you with a comprehensive package for your action camera needs. 5. DJI Osmo Action 3 Standard Combo Waterproof Action Camera. The DJI Osmo Action 3 Standard Combo presents a feature-packed and durable waterproof action camera designed to capture your adventures seamlessly. With 4K HDR video capability and a remarkable 10-bit color depth, the camera delivers vivid and natural details, even in high-contrast scenarios. The HDR video ensures exceptional quality, capturing over 1 billion colors for a truly immersive visual experience. Horizon Steady technology takes your footage to the next level by maintaining smooth and ultra-level shots, whether you're engaged in skiing, skydiving, or navigating bumpy terrain. This feature ensures epic footage of your wildest rides, adding a professional touch to your videos. Built to endure various conditions, the DJI Osmo Action 3 boasts a maximum battery life of 160 minutes and up to 150 minutes of continuous recording in temperatures as low as -20°C. This durability allows the camera to accompany you on your adventures, no matter where they take you. The Action 3 underwater camera is waterproof down to 16 meters without the need for additional accessories, allowing you to dive deep and explore further underwater. Front and back touchscreens with a hydrophobic coating facilitate videos, selfies, parameter adjustments, and crystal clear playback, even with wet hands. The DJI Osmo Action 3 Standard Combo includes essential accessories like a protective frame, adapter mount, and more, providing a comprehensive package for dynamic and diverse scenarios. It's also worth noting that the Osmo Action 3 does not have onboard storage and does not come with a microSD card, which needs to be purchased separately. Additionally, users have 5 chances to skip the activation process for product experience when using the camera for the first time, after which connecting to the DJI Mimo app is required for activation.